Are you facing problems while processing order payments from your customers within your point of sale system using payment terminals? Well, we have a solution. Now this particular solution allows you to connect any of these Stripe payment terminals via Android or iOS mobile devices to your web-based point of sale system. Hi, I'm Nishad, and today we'll be checking out the WooCommerce point of sale Stripe terminal integration that allows you to connect any of the available Stripe payment terminals using your Android and iOS devices and thereby take payments within your web-based point of sale system. So what the POS agent needs to do is he needs to install the application on his Android or the iOS device. Thereafter, he needs to tap on the Connect with POS button that connects the Android device with the POS server there, and automatically at the very same time the Stripe terminal is also connected to the Android or the iOS device there. And when the POS agent basically makes a checkout, at that time the particular payment needs to be processed and that is reflected onto the Stripe reader. Now the customer comes in, he swipes or he taps his credit or the debit card on the Stripe payment terminal, and the payment goes through and the receipt is generated on the web-based POS terminal there. So let's dive into the complete workflow for the same. So for this particular demonstration, what we have done is we have used one laptop that is having the web-based point of sale system already installed on it, and we have logged into the POS system there. I have one Stripe terminal reader basically for accepting the payments through the credit or debit cards from the customers, and we have one iOS device on which we have installed the WooCommerce Stripe Reader app that basically connects the Stripe Reader with the app, and then the app connects with the POS system there to process the payments, and the receipts are being generated on the web-based POS there. So for this particular demonstration, let's proceed further and let's see how this completely works. So first of all, what I'll be doing is I have to connect the POS app or the card reader app that we have installed on the iOS device with the POS system that we are having on our laptop system. So with that, what I'll do is I'll open the application on the iOS device and I'll tap here on the Connect with POS option, and this would basically display the reader list, and here you can see that it is showing Munich Maze Sewing. And now let's go to the POS system here. That's a web-based POS system on my laptop browser, and here you'll be able to see that we have connected option on the top, and if I tap on that, this is showing the particular card reader, the Stripe card reader that we are having. And if I want to disconnect this, I can make it offline, and on the app as well you can see that it is right now disconnected from the POS server there. Now to connect back, I'll just tap on that and it would again be connected with the application there. Now let's see the workflow of how the agent can add the products to the cart, and after that how a particular customer can make use of his credit or debit card on the Stripe terminal, that is a payment processing system there. So for that, I have one card here. That's a debit or a testing card basically. So I'll just add the products to the cart here. Let me add one product to the cart and let's close it out, and I'll tap here pay. Now at the checkout, the agent needs to select the POS Stripe terminal, and then we'll select the amount that needs to be paid, and here I'll tap on the confirm payment and generate invoice button. Now you can see both on the app that's on the iOS device and on the card reader as well, we are able to see that we have to pay $18. So if I tap here, you can see that particular thing is processing, it's approved. Now the data from the card reader is being redirected to the app, and then the app is redirecting data to the POS system here, and you can see that the receipt has been generated within the point of sale system that the agent was using. So yes, that was much about the WooCommerce point of sale Stripe terminal integration that we have done, that allows you to easily integrate or connect multiple Stripe payment terminals to your Android or iOS devices and thereby receive payments very easily. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular feature, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uadesk.com as well. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.